forgot my name. I lost my name.
Yeah, it looks good. So anyways, we decided to come back to the Pizza Hut.
Yeah, because you like to eat in here.
Yeah, it's
Lots of good
I
stuff.
don't know. It's just, of all the restaurants, it seems really reasonable and all kinds of stuff.
I need to unbutton my shirt, my short,
She's
because
getting
I'm
ready.
ready to eat.
They're ready to chow. Yeah. We were up late. I think we went to bed, 3 o'clock in the morning? So we slept.
Yeah, because you watch a movie.
Yeah, we slept late. We were just kind of getting out and about. We're at the Cebu City Mall. So anyways, the neat thing about Pizza Hut here is that they're really fast. You know what I'm saying? It's fast.
Personal, this is
And
bacon cheese
I find
pizza.
this funny. This is a personal pizza, right? In the United States, they're a little bigger than this. This here is like something you feed a cat. But that's okay. It's all good. We're not complaining. It's just the way it is.
Yeah, because it's personal, bro. Because it's personal.
It's personal. So, anyway, we decided to try a couple other things, so we'll see how that works.
Yeah, other food in here different. Food again,
Would you
but
get
same place.
chicken?
Pizza Hut.
What was the chicken?
It's
Herb.
herb.
Herb. And what was the other one? So, anyway, this is kind of a breakfast, lunch,
Brunch.
brunch.
It's brunch. We wake up late today.
Yeah. So anyway,
We were very tired yesterday because after the immigration, then
yeah, we were up at 5
we refill
o'clock.
our fridge.
Let me tell you something. For anybody that wants to come here and you got to deal with immigration, get up early and be there when they open. Because if you don't, you're going to be here like hours.
We renew his visa in Gesano Mall, Cebu, near SM City Cebu, and they will be open 9, the immigration, but the mall will open 10, but the security guard will let you go inside if you have an appointment in the immigration, if you will go in there.
When you go to do this, pay the extra to expedite, to speed it up. Because that really makes a difference. If you know, you're waiting here all day. So we always pay the extra. Yesterday was kind of weird. I think it's the longest we've had to wait.
Yeah, 1 hour wait. But the first renewal, it's just like 25 minutes. Like that. Second, not really quick. But the third one is 1 hour wait.
I think it's because it was Monday. The Monday blues, Nobody really seemed fired up.
We are the second batch.
Right. We
We
were the
were
second
really
batch.
soon.
But we were sitting there, and one guy, he paid, and he goes, how long is it going to take? And the lady says, oh, at least an hour.
1 hour. And everyone, after this, we will play a little bit in the world of fun to get a lot of tickets. And
She's addicted.
yeah, we will play balls in there, and then we will get a lot of tickets. If we win, then after that we will gather all our tickets, and we can choose whatever prize. If you have a big points, then you can get a nice prize.
Yeah, we've been cleaning house. Yeah, we've been
Okay,
cleaning
thank
house.
you. See you again. Mexican food. Then this is the herb chicken. This is the bottomless lemonade. And then this is some personal bacon cheese pizza. Yeah, just this everyone. Because we will eat another restaurant after this. Miss you. Yeah.
Oh, and the hot sauce rocks.
Tabasco.
It rocks though. It's different. It's not what we're used to, but it's good.
And now we are done eating, so we
And it
will
was a
head to the
success.
world of fun.
It was a
We will play
success.
games.
Yeah, it was good. We didn't overdo it this time. Yesterday we overdid it. I mean,
There was a lot of food yesterday.
Today?
And I almost vomit because I'm very full yesterday because I'm drinking. Right
we're
now,
good.
just fine. But we will stop after the games. We will stop by at the grocery store, and then after that we will buy purple yam. Maybe you know purple yam is very nice. Thank you.
Little donkey dunk going on there, man.